Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to change mouse cursor when you hover over an element. As you can see, I got div element here, and when I will take my mouse over this div element, you can see the cursor is changed. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we only need a div element. Save it. Now let's create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select div element. Give it a height of 300 pixels. Same goes in case of a width. Margin will be 30 pixel and auto, just to center align it. Border will be 1 pixel solid white. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Background color will be dark cyan. Save it. Now open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. Let's take the mouse over the div element. You can see the cursor is still the same. To change it on hover, we have to use pseudo class hover along with cursor property. So let's go to CSS file. Select div element with pseudo class hover and use the cursor property and set it to pointer. Save it. Go to browser. Now take your mouse over the div element. So you can see it is changed. In a similar way, you can try different values. Instead of pointer, you can make it move. Save it. You'll get this sort of output. Let's try one more. Make it not allowed. Save it. Now take the mouse over the div element. You can see now it is different. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.